Hello everyone, with Lance Fantasy Gaming. I think this is part 6. I know I missed one last week. There'll be a video going up for that vlog. For it, we'll be doing the Patreon, June 2024, STL files and figures, D&D, Warhammer. If you do like it, the links for these will be down below. And also, if you can't, please support the channel with our Patreon Discord down the link below as well. Well, anyhow, let's start with it. Bruno Art 3D Studio. We have, let's see, that's July. Well, we might see some July stuff. This is Tanya. This is the July one for it. Mini, Bruto, Superboy. You can get the little, what you call it, things for it. But we got Vampira, Wonder Woman for your figures needs as well. Next is Munkin. This is another figure. There's a new one in the list, like a cutie stuff. We got Blanc. I don't know where Blanc's from. And let's see here. Let's vote. And the followers will get these two for the welcome pack for it. That's it for June. Optim Clay Studio. We have Spock. I guess Ashley. A little bit lewd looking one of Ashley for Resident Evil 4. I think that'll be it for that one. Invictus Miniatures. This is like the futuristic version of Epic. I can't get the photos of it, and we're going to skip that, but I'll put a link down if you guys want to do a little more research. Bendy Buddies, we got. This is Deadpool Wolverine figure. I can't wait to see the movie next month for it. And we have one of those wiggly dragon things as well. I know a lot of people actually do a lot of stuff. We got, looks like Squirtle version of Thor. It's actually pretty cool. Squirtle Thor. And I think the dragon ones as well. If you're interested in doing FDM prints, or I think resin prints work with these as well for the bendies. Lion Rome Studio. I know the new anime Kaiju came out. There's Kaiju Form 8, and there's one more that's coming. So there's two Kaiju's figure just coming in as well. This is the previous month you get, and your welcome pack as well. Great Studio. Missing one more for Tesla Reth. We got Milan and Nagisa. This one's from my Classroom Assassination. The other one's from Reincarnated into a Slime. I think they made this into a female version, I believe. For it. There's Milan, the more lewd ones of it. And this one you get a previous month of these three and your welcome figure as well. Unlimited Fantasy Minis. I think this one you get these. I think this is beta. You got some cool skeletons and some monsters from video games. I don't remember. That's from May. Oh, billing cycle. Never mind. They're not having anything this month. That evil one, proxies for Warhammer, if you're interested, and Age of Sigmar. So we got some jet bikers, we got some beastmen, and some more looks like Space Marines, their version of Space Marines. So if you're interested in that. Immature Gods. There's another Warhammer figure. It looks like the Chaos faction. If you're interested in that for your figures. I really don't like the design of this. There's like a lot better version of it in my opinion. BG 3D Prints hasn't got anything out, but I'll put a link down for you guys anyways. Mad Figures. I don't think they have anything out for a while. Creative Armory. I don't think they have anything else for a while as well. Blue Wyvern. This is also a proxy one. I don't know what this one's from. I know these are like raccoons. If you want some flying raccoons just throwing bombs and shooting, go for it. That's for July release. Is this June one? July release preview. We want June. We got some type of tanks. Looks like a railgun attached on top of it as well. We got some. This one looked like the one from Wolfenstein, the little panther thing. We got some mechs. Cool one. Got one that goes around the ball. There we go, the full thing. So yeah, probably good for BattleTech, I will say. I don't know. I don't play BattleTech. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Rodent Studio, we got these three figures: Garp, Orange Piccolo, and Zoro. For the upcoming figures for this month, it's Orange Piccolo so far right now. Uka Upala Palu. For this month, I think we're getting Rosalind Stout from I forgot that game it's called. So these two are the ones that's going to be for this month. For it. And they're gone. BioBreed Studio, another figure. Let's see, June 6th. Looks like we're getting Spider-Man. And looks like Scarlet Spider in the bottom. I can't make it bigger. But yeah. And your welcome pack as well. Beastman Miniature, nothing has came up for this. They're gone. They're gone. Z Sculptor, One Punch Man with 2020. Yeah, nope, not there anymore. Wow, a lot of people has been gone. Dark Galaxy The Void from 2021. Wow. Okay. STL Youngblood. Let's see what we got. Pretty much not seeing anything. I'm seeing. Okay, Chinchilla STL Collection from 2023. Wow. What? I need to literally just remove a lot of these things off the thing. RA 3D STL print. Looks like we have one of those flyers from, I think from Dune, I'll say. And you got your Skyrocket pre-test. Skyrocket Infantry, if you're interested. The Surreal Factory. Let's see here. The Xeno Altar. Looks like a skull and some eggs behind it. Looks like a shield for the... Looks like they made a shield of it. It doesn't really look like it. Let's see here. Collaboration content. Releasing with it. Got a dice set. Never used dice from 3D prints. It's not that great, in my opinion. They're gone. Hey, Sark's Foundry. You know, anything since May of 2021. They're gone. Greg Korokos from 2023. Well, I think that'll be it for this part 6. I hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord, and I'll talk to you guys next time.